How to show or hide public holidays in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. You will see public holidays is here. If you want to hide and show public holidays in calendar, so click on this tree line icon and scroll down and click on Google. After click on Google, here showing you public holidays. So if you want to hide, click on hide. You will see tick is not showing here. So you will see your public holidays is hide. If you want to show, so click on public holiday. You will see public holidays is showing here. So you will hide and show public holiday from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can hide or show public holidays in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.